Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is for English listening practice. So you can put on your earphone and close your eyes and listen to me carefully and repeat after me. Let's get started. Person A. Hi, how are you doing today? I'm doing great, thanks. How about you? I'm doing well, thank you. Did you have a good weekend? Yes, it was nice. I went hiking in the mountains with some friends. How about you? What did you do? Well, I had a relaxing weekend. I stayed at home and caught up on some reading and watched a few movies. It was quite enjoyable. That sounds lovely. Sometimes it's nice to have some quiet time at home. By the way, have you finished your project for work? No, not yet, but I'm making good progress. I have been managing my time effectively and setting daily goals to stay on track. How about you? How are you managing your workload? I am trying to prioritize my tasks and break them down into smaller, manageable steps. It helps me stay focused and complete them more efficiently. I also use a calendar to schedule my activities and set deadlines. That's great approach. I find that planning and scheduling really make a difference in staying organized. It allows me to allocate specific time to different tasks and avoids any last minute rush. Absolutely, it's really amazing how much more you can accomplish when you have a clear plan and stick to it. It also helps in maintaining a good work life balance. Definitely, time management is crucial in preventing burnout and ensuring we have time for personal activities and relaxation. It's all about finding that balance. I couldn't agree more. Well, it was nice chatting with you. I should get back to work now. Likewise, good luck with your project. Have a productive day. Thank you. You too. Take care. Now, the dialogue between two college students about career. Student 1. Hi Ashad, how are you today? I'm quite fine, my dear. What about you? You look so upset today. Yeah, I am a little bit confused about my future. I am unable to decide what should a choice between the math and biology. Oh, I see. What do you think is best for you? My father is a doctor and he wants me to become a doctor. He has advised me to study biology in college. I have attended a few lectures of biology, but I don't think I like it. So, you are interested in math, aren't you? No, not really. I am interested in IT and computer. I love to be among technological products. I have a handsome knowledge about internet and networking. I want to become an IT engineer, but my father won't allow it. Oh, that's really sad. Have you talked to your father about it? No, not yet. I fear he will insult me. Actually, I'm afraid of talking to my father about it. Look, this is the matter of your future. You must talk to your father about it. Just try to convince him to accept your point of view. I don't want to become a doctor, so why should I study biology? There are other fields like fisheries, agriculture, animal husbandry, forestry, genetic engineering, horticulture, etc. You can go in with biology as your major. I think engineers can create something new, but doctors won't. So that's why I want to become an engineer. See, all professions and all fields are of high scope. If you work hard and apply innovation, you can still study biology and become a genetic engineer if you have interest. Is it possible with biology as a major in first year? Yeah, it is. Okay, first of all, let me talk to my father to know if he allows me to study math. Otherwise, I'll study biology to go into genetic engineering. Yeah, sure. Thanks for your time and suggestions, friend. It's my pleasure. Take care. Have a good day.